Today we'll be looking for arrowheads.
New spot.
Yeah. Let's get to
Breaking
this.
the rain finally.
We'll see you if we find anything. Some pretty white flowers here.
Yeah. Look at that.
Yeah. Show them the whole field that we're searching on.
It's mostly grassy.
Yeah, but
very muddy. I like rocks that have been run over by the plow.
I just found these cool rocks. I found a bone. I think it's off some like little possum or something. Pretty. I mean, a pretty rock. See it. And then this cool rock here.
Pretty.
Yeah, really pretty.
What'd you find?
Rock.
Pretty rock?
Yeah, I saw that point sticking up and I was like, ooh, an arrowhead. But,
But it's just a cool rock, eh?
yeah, not bad. We just found a miniature flake.
Can't see it. Flip it over. Cool.
Yeah, really cool.
The only flake we found so far. That looks like a flake.
I think it is. Because can you guys see those like workings there?
Looks like chips.
Yeah, so let's keep going. And hopefully we can find a full one.
Look at this. Pretty hummingbird vine.
Never seen this before.
It's so pretty.
Look for arrowheads. Let's do a little bit of recording of looking for arrowheads right here.
So pretty. I get distracted by the flowers. It's mostly weedy right now.
Yeah.
But you never know.
Never know.
We're newbies, kind of, so, well, not even kind of, we're newbies. So we're putting in hours, I guess.
Yeah.
Figuring it out.
No,
I can tell you that we need sticks. Those little pointers. You have one your grandpa gave you, don't you?
yeah,
Grandpa made you one?
a walking stick.
Yeah. Should have brought that.
I feel sprinkles around.
A little shell. Keep that. I like these.
That's a weird bug. Never seen that before. We saw like a big one.
So Eli pointed out all these butterflies, and I looked up, and we're looking for arrowheads, which we haven't found any. We have found a lot of pretty flowers. I look up for the butterflies because I like nature just as much, and whoa. Check out this gigantic flower. I'm thinking it's a thistle.
I never heard of it.
I'm guessing this field has been
Hunted a lot.
picked clean for a while because we found one little flake.
It has spikes all over it.
So anyway, wow. That's a thistle.
Cool. I never thought I would see a thistle.
Look at that.
Has some spikes all over it.
Wow. Look. Oh my goodness. Let's look down at it.
Well, I guess we'll keep hunting.
Look at that. It's way taller than I am.
I'm gonna go hunting.
Okay. Yeah. For those of you who like antique glass, we sell antiques, but I like thistle pattern.
The leaves always psych you out.
They look so spiky.
The leaves
Spiky. Ooh, they are. Very spiky, buddy.
Did you know that leaves are kind of hard to not get tricked by when you're looking for arrowheads because they're just like all over.
Sometimes, yeah, you get faked out by a leaf.
Well, let me show you in a sec.
Ouch, I just got poked in the fingers by the pretty plant.
So you see you're coming up and then you're like,
Ouch.
what's that? And then you get close and it's a leaf.
Yeah. Yeah, or when the center vein of the leaf is
See?
rounded enough to where you go, oh man.
What if we were to show them the leaves and then they spotted an arrowhead?
Look at this cool thing.
Yeah, look at this. I found a bone, guys.
Bones are cool. Oh, should we take it?
Wait, what's that?
Should we take it? Oh no, see.
Bone.
Oh, should we take it home to Oso?
Ah, geez, that's a toy bone.
Another one. Big, not blooming yet. Don't touch. Very sharp.
Don't touch this in public. That's a weird bug. Never seen that before. We saw like a big one. Well, here's all our finds. We got a flake. Pretty nice. A seashell. We got this like plastic bolt.
Picking up the trash.
Yep. Then we got this cool little rock. This thing, which I saw the point sticking up there, and I was like, maybe it's a broken point or something, like something broken off the arrowhead. But there's another rock where they would make the arrowhead out of. Then here's another cool little rock. So that's all our finds.
And a bunch of nature. We had fun. It's nice to get out and walk anyway.
Yeah. The creek
River is up.
Yeah.
Goodness gracious.
Yeah. Cool vine.
Cool vine. Grapes. Gonna be.
Soon these will be big boys.
I'm the vine and you are the branches.
Yep. Hope y'all enjoyed everything we did. God bless.